My name is Akash. This is my wife Shreya. We are from Sydney, Australia. We just finished our Kailash Yatra on foot and some on horse with Nature Explore tracking guys with Dinesh G's team. Very happy with their service. They've been very, very, very helpful. We had no issues at all, and they've made sure our whole yatra goes without any problem, and they have been always there to support us even in the middle of the night. So very happy. Thank you Dinesh ji and the team for your support. And this is my daughter. She's only 14, but she still joined and she's still so happy.
It was so good and I enjoyed a lot. Shop was so helpful, Dinesh so helpful, and Badda so helpful.
I was really worried when I started from Sydney because I was coming with 2 kids, doing this such a big world's hardest yatra.
Yes.
But Nature Explore, especially Dinesh ji, all Sarpa, everyone helped us so much, and we could do this yatra really easily. All food was served really hot, and we thought we will lose weight, but actually we gained weight after 4 days because they served us too much food. I recommend everyone to join this Nature Explore. If you want to do Kailash Yatra, please contact Dinesh ji and go in their Facebook page and look at the reviews. They are the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Om Namah
Om
Shivaya.
Namah Shivaya.